Good morning, students. So, in today's class, we are discussing a new topic, that is continuation of semiconductor electronics. And our new topic is semiconductor diode. Okay. In the previous class, we have discussed what is PN junction. Okay. What do you mean by the depletion region? What do you mean by diffusion current? And what do you mean by drift current? Okay. And at equilibrium state, what happens to the PN? What happens in the PN junction? Okay. So this diffusion current is mainly because of due to the motion of the majority charge carriers from one P region to N region and N region to P region. Okay. And drift current is mainly because of due to the motion of the minority charge carriers present in the P region and the N region. Okay. Now, this depletion region is nothing but what? It is a layer on either side of the P type and N type, where in one layer we can see the negative charges, and in other side we can see the positive layer ions. Okay, so this region is called as a depletion region. Okay, a layer which consists of positive ions and negative ions on either side of the P side and N side of the semiconductor. Okay, is called as depletion region. Now, in today's class, we are discussing the semiconductor diode. What do you mean by this semiconductor diode? Okay, a semiconductor is basically a PN junction. Okay, is basically a PN junction provided with the metallic contacts on either side of the semiconductor. Is called the semiconductor diode. Okay, so here semiconductor is basically a PN junction. It is basically a PN junction. Okay, so on either side of this we are having the two metallic ends. This is the two metallic ends. Okay, so this is called as the semiconductor. Okay, and the circuit symbol of this PN junction, this semiconductor diode, is also called as the PN junction diode. It is also called as a PN junction diode. Okay, so the circuit symbol of this PN junction is represented as this side is called as P region and this side is called as N region. Okay, the circuit symbol of the PN junction diode or the semiconductor diode is represented by this. Okay, this region is called as P region and this line is indicating it is called as a N region. As I have mentioned here, P region and N region. On either side of this P and N region, we are having the two metallic contacts. These are the two metallic contacts. It is being provided with the two metallic contacts. It is called the semiconductor diode. Okay, and this is a circuit symbol. Circuit symbol. Okay. Now let us move on towards the PN junction. PN junction under forward bias. Under forward bias. Okay. So this when we can say this p-n junction is being formed by now when an external voltage, okay, when an external voltage is being applied to the p-n junction whose p side is connected to the positive terminal of the battery and n side of the n region p n side of the region is being connected to the negative terminal of the battery, then it is said to be forward bias. It is said to be forward bias. Okay. So they might ask you that in sometimes in Viva questions in practical also they might ask you, and you are having practical on this forward bias also. Okay. So forward bias, when we can say the p-n junction is under forward bias, when the positive terminal of the battery is connected to the p side and negative terminal of the battery is connected to the n side, then we can say that then it is said to be the p-n junction is under forward bias. Okay, I'll draw that. This is the junction where we are having two ions and positive ions. This is P and this is N. Okay, P region of the is connected to the positive terminal of the battery and N region is being connected to the negative terminal. This is positive, this is negative. And it is the depletion region. It is the depletion region. Okay. Now this is what the p-n junction which is under forward bias. Okay. There are one common one point you should remember in this here. Forward bias means here it is having a low resistance. It offers low resistance here. It offers low resistance. Okay, hence there is a large current. There is a large current here. Okay. Now how this how this p-n junction it works under forward bias here? How it works? Okay, I'll explain this. As we know that this p-type semiconductor is having the majority charge carriers are holes. Okay. P-type semiconductor is having majority charge carriers are holes, and N they are having the majority charge carriers are electrons. They are having electrons. Now, when this P side is connected to the positive terminal and N side is connected to the negative terminal, then here at this end, at this side, there will be a large repulsion, because here the majority charge carriers are holes. Here majority charge carriers are holes, and holes are the positive charge. They are the positive charge, and here the majority charge carriers are electrons, and electrons are the negatively charged. They are the negatively charged. So hence here we have connected this region to the positive and this region to the negative. Now because of due to this there will be a large repulsion here, because यहाँ पे भी ये होल्स में पॉजिटिव चार्जेस हैं और ये भी पॉजिटिव है, ये नेगेटिव है, यहाँ पे भी नेगेटिव चार्ज के से, तो यहाँ पे रिपल्शन ज़्यादा रहेगा ना. There will be a large repulsion. Because of due to this large repulsion, the charge carriers will diffuse to P region and P region to N region. Okay. अब यहाँ पे रिपल्शन ज़्यादा होने की वजह से क्या होगा? ये इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इधर आएंगे, ये होल्स इधर जाएंगे. Okay, they will move now. Okay, because of this large repulsion here. Now once if these electrons when they come here, these electrons will get attracted towards the positive, and this holes will attracted towards the negative, and there will be a large current. Okay, and hence it offers low resistance. यहाँ पे बहुत कम रेजिस्टेंस होता है, इसलिए यहाँ पे करंट में क्या होता है, लार्ज होता है. तो यहाँ पे जब ये डिफ्यूज हो रहे हैं इलेक्ट्रॉन्स n region to p region and holes p region to n region, during this process the width of the depletion region will decreases. Okay, यहाँ पे क्या होगा, दोनों तरफ से इलेक्ट्रॉन्स के चार्ज कैरियर से मूव हो रहे हैं, इसलिए क्या होता है, डिप्लीशन रीजन जो होता है वो थिन हो जाता है, उसका विड्थ रिड्यूस हो जाता है. मैं लिख रहा हूँ, विड्थ ऑफ द depletion region decreases. Width of the depletion region decreases, and hence there will be a large, what we can say, that is large current. Okay, तो यहाँ पे रिपल्शन ज़्यादा होगा ना, ये पॉजिटिव, ये भी नेगेटिव, यहाँ पे नेगेटिव चार्जेस है, यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव चार्जेस है, इनमें बहुत ज़्यादा रिपल्शन रहेगा. तो ये रिपल्शन क्या करेगा, ये होल्स को यहाँ पे ढक लेगा वो, और इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को इधर ढक लेगा. So like this, we can see here in this forward bias. Okay, always you should remember that here in forward bias case, always it offers very low resistance. Resistance मतलब क्या, which resists the flow of charges, what we can say, charges. Okay, तो यहाँ पे लो रहने की वजह से क्या होगा, कंडक्शन भी ज्यादा रहेगा. Okay, conduction will be more here. Okay, so this common points you should remember here. Okay, and here whatever the external voltage we are applying, okay, that is always in opposite to the diffusion current. Okay, it is always in opposite to the diffusion current. Okay, so the potential applied is always what we can say, opposite to the diffusion current here. Hence we are writing it as a V minus of V naught. The external voltage जो apply कर रहे हैं वो क्या रहेगा, V minus of V naught. Okay, so that is all about the PN junction under forward bias. Okay, so there is one more point here. It is that the direction of the applied voltage V is opposite to the barrier potential. Hence the voltage will be V minus of V naught, where V is the applied voltage, V naught is the barrier potential. So what is this barrier potential? Barrier potential means this prevents the motion of the majority charge carriers on either side. Okay, that is what it is being called as a barrier. Barrier मतलब क्या, रोकना. Okay, so the barrier potential, it prevents the motion of the majority charge carriers on either side of the, that is diode. Okay, and here as I said that it offers as a low resistance, hence it acts as a closed switch. Okay, जैसे कि closed सर्किट होता है ना, जैसे कि सर एक क्लोज सर्किट जहाँ पे चार्ज के मूवमेंट होता है, उसमें करंट फ्लो हो रहा है. So hence it acts as a closed switch. Okay, hence there is a large current during the forward bias. So this is all about the forward bias here. And next we move on towards the PN junction. It is very important. Okay, and it is also very important. PN junction under reverse bias. reverse bias. Okay. Now, when we can say that the PN junction is under reverse bias? Okay. When the P side is connected to the negative terminal of the battery and N side is connected to the positive terminal of the battery, then it is said to be under reverse bias. Okay. When it is said to be the reverse bias here. Okay. When P region is connected to the negative terminal of the battery and N region is connected to the positive terminal of the battery, then the P junction is said to be under reverse bias. The one common thing we should enumerate here. Here it offers high resistance. It offers high resistance and hence there is a small current and width of the depletion region becomes wide. And the applied voltage, direction of the applied voltage is in the same direction to the same direction of the barrier potential. Hence here it is V plus V naught, where V is the applied voltage, V naught is the barrier potential. Okay. Now in this case, here in P region, majority charge carriers are holes, and in N region the majority charge carriers are electrons. And when it is connected to the negative terminal, holes are the positive charge carriers. And these holes will get attracted to the negative terminal of the battery. And here electrons are the negatively charged carrier, and hence they are attracted towards the positive terminal of the battery. Because of due to this, there will be a increase in the width of the डिप्लीशन रीजन. यहाँ पे विड्थ कम हो रहा है क्योंकि ये डिफ्यूज हो रहे थे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, और यहाँ पे ये इस तरफ जा रहे हैं. होल्स आर मूविंग इन दिस डायरेक्शन, and electrons are also moving in this direction. Okay, so hence the depletion region will get increases, and due to this there will be what we can say, there will be a less small current here. This small current is mainly because of due to the minority charge carriers which are present in the P region and N region. In P region, the minority charge carriers are electrons. So these electrons will get repelled by this negative terminal, and here holes are the minority charge carriers, and these holes will get repelled by this positive terminal. Okay, so small current, it is mainly because of due to the minority charge carriers present in the P region and the N region. This small current is due to minority charge carriers present in P region and N region. Okay, so that is all about the PN junction diagram. Okay, when you slowly go on increase the applied voltage, the current is going to be remains constant at one particular voltage. Okay, at one particular voltage there will be a sudden increase in the current here. Okay, there will be some that we'll discuss in the next class. Okay, in the next class we will discuss the characteristics of PN junction under forward bias, PN junction under reverse bias. Okay, that we'll discuss in the next class. Okay, so here these are the some common some important points you should remember in case of reverse bias and in case of forward bias. Okay, so today we'll stop here. In the next class we will continue with the next one. Okay, thank you.